channel. You are still with me, Danny J. Now I am in swimming pool in Bogor Valley Hotel, and I will create a painting here. I will create a painting using pencil color in the water. This is the first drawing. It's about cow. And it is about the ship, underwater ship. This is the third. All of the object related with water. This is the other. It is the traditional jam, or we call kandi. It is related with water. Okay, that is my art activity today. To update my videos, don't forget to subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.